August 1st, the Kenny Urban returns to Ruthless Pro Wrestling. And he wants to make it crystal see that it is irrelevant whoever's going to be standing across the ring from him, because they are going to find out that the Kenny Urban is USDA certified lean. The Kenny Urban has gas in the tank. He has money in the bank. And he has news for you, baby. You are looking at the man. And when the fans of RPW leave, they are going to know why the Kenny Urban is nothing less than tall, tan,
unlike Jason Page,
and victorious.